Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10 easily without losing any data. So the first thing what you're going to do, open your favorite browser and search for Windows 10 ISO download. Then after that, this one, download Windows 10 disk image, you have to click there. Then this window will pop up. So what you are going to do, just go to the top right corner, the three dots, and then after that scroll it down and go to more tools. Then after that go to developer tools. Then again go to the three dots at the top right corner and go to more tools again, and again network conditions. Then after that down here, this network conditions, scroll it down, you will find user agent. Just deactivate it. Then after that, from this box you have to click there and choose Chrome OS. Then after that go to the top bar and enter to reload the page. Enter it to reload the page. Then after that this window will pop up. The window says download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. So scroll it down and you'll find this one, Windows 10 update version. Select edition. You have to click there, select edition, click there and choose Windows 10 multi-edition ISO, then confirm. Then after that you can close this window. Then scroll it down. There is an option called says select the product language, so you have to choose one. Click there. Click here and choose English US. You can choose any one of your choice. Then after that this window will pop up. There is 32-bit and 64-bit. So it depends on your mission. You can choose one of these. If your previous version Windows 7 32-bit, you have to choose 32-bit. If it is 64-bit, you have to choose 64-bit. Otherwise it will not be compatible with this latest version. Now the Windows file is downloading. What you are going to do, open another browser and search for WinCD EMU, just as it is shown from here, WinCD EMU. Then choose download. This file is used to mount the ISO file, the Windows file. Then download. This is used to mount the file and to install it. So you have to use this mounting tool. It is a good mounting tool, so you have to download this one. Then both files after downloading, it looks like this one, WinCD EMU. This is, you have to run it as an administrator. This is a mounting tool. Click these two places, then install. Then OK. Don't wait for the green. After saying installation complete, you have to click it there. Then after that, my machine is 32-bit, so I have to go for the 32-bit. As I said before, it must be compatible with Windows. Then select drive, then OK. Then go here, you have to choose run setup exe. Then this window will pop up. Windows prepared this one 32, 40, 50, 45%. So after finishing, it will go to the another stage, but don't turn off, don't do some other job. You have to wait for this window. Then installing the stain, just you have to click there. Then next. So it says getting updates, checking your PC. Then after that, we are getting if everything is ready. You have to wait there. Then finally it will ask you product key. So what you are going to do, open your favorite browser again and search for Windows 10 forum generic key. Search for this, and the first one, click there, Windows generic product key to install Windows 10 editions. Then scroll it down. There is a table. In this table you have to go for Windows 10 Pro. From there you have to choose the last one, KMC client setup key. You have to copy this one. Copy it. Then after that paste it here. Then next. So this window will pop up. We are getting everything is ready. Then license agreement will come. You have to accept this agreement. Then after that, this window will pop up. Then it will begin installation after some time. Make sure your PC has enough space. Then this window will pop up. You have to install Windows 10 Pro, keep personal files and apps, so it will not delete, remove any files. So install. Then finally this window will pop up. Installing Windows 10. Then you have to wait for the installation process to finish. Then please wait while setup exiting. You have to wait for it. Then finally it will restart and this window will pop up. You have to accept it. Then finally the Windows 7 will be upgraded into Windows 10. As it is shown here, the files are available, so you can use this process to upgrade your Windows 7 machine to Windows 10. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.